Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be having a look at Polygon Matic, whose current price stands at the $0.4754 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 3%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that can play out, and I'll be basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of this video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So from the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has taken us to around the $0.031 mark, and I believe Polygon Matic has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, and something to try and put some weight on the fact that the low might be in for Polygon Matic. If I apply the trend-based Fibonacci over here from this high, connecting it to this low that we made over here, and then to this high, then I extend the fibs, you can see that the Fibonacci gives us a target area at around the $0.03 mark, which Polygon Matic has well respected by going to around the $0.031 mark, and from there we started seeing a nice bounce to the upper side. And yesterday we lost a key support at around the $0.048 mark and went to the lower side, and at the moment we are having a bit of a recovery to the upper side, and I expect us, the moment we break above this key area of resistance, that is at around the $0.048 mark, we might have a retest of that area and then continue pushing to the upper side, and that can take us to around the $0.062 mark. Now that we have seen that the low might be in for Polygon Matic, the next move that I expect to the upper side might be in this Elliot wave pattern to the upper side, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high. And before all that happens, we first need to do a wave 1, and the target area for the wave 1 will be within this yellow target that I have up here, that is between the $1.93 mark and the $1.5 mark, and that I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's. So if I apply the fibs here, if I apply the fibs to the all-time high that we made up here, you can see that this yellow target lies between the fib level 0.6 and the fib level 0.5. That is the minimum that I'd expect the wave 1 to do to the upper side. And before all that happens, we also need to see other fractal waves in between here. So I expect a 5 wave within the wave 1, and at the moment we are seeing a bit of a wave formation over here. So in this massive wave 1, I expect a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5 to the upper side. And here we have formed a wave 1, that might be a wave 1, a wave 2 in formation. Then we expect a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And if I change the color of this wave to yellow, and if we try and apply the fibs here to see how this wave 1 to the upper side, where it might retrace to, so if I apply the fibs for the wave 1, the fractal wave 1, you can see that the retracement to the lower side has hit the 0.5 fib level and went below it, and then reacted to the 0.338 fib level, and at the moment we are having a bit of a bounce to the upper side. And if we continue pushing to the upper side, that will be the formation of a wave 2. But if it happens that we continue pushing to the lower side and maybe we break below this low that we have at around the $0.31 mark, that would be invalidating our move to the upper side, and that would mean the low for the ABC correction might not be in, and we need to restructure our Elliot wave and the ABC correction. So at the moment we need to continue watching this, and I'll keep you updated on how this plays out, whether we are going to have a formation of a wave 3 to the upper side. So I'll keep you updated on how this plays out. That is in case we are in a wave 3 to the upper side, and the minimum targets that I will have for the wave 3 of that wave to the upper side. The other key scenario that can play out to the lower side is that it's possible that the low is not in, and we continue. Now that we have lost a key area of support at around the $0.48 mark, it's possible that we continue pushing to the lower side, and that could take us to the next key area of support at around the $0.29 mark. So that's all for this video, and I'll keep you updated, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel.